Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term MLM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, MLM is multi level marketing, a business model where people earn money by selling products and recruiting others. People use it when talking about business opportunities or sales strategies. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. MLM first showed up in the 1940s, describing pyramid style direct selling companies. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among salespeople and online communities. Now let's check out how to use MLM in a sentence. Correct example 1. She joined an MLM company hoping to earn extra income through her social network. Correct example 2. My cousin's really into MLMs and is always trying to recruit people. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said MLM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using MLM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. MLM means multi-level marketing, a business model using networks. It started in the 1940s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in business talks. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with MLM in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.